She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys will see me do 4-stitch feed-in braids with some buns on my baby sister. The hair that we used was that TZ Expression braiding hair, and we only used one pack, and actually we only used one bundle, so not a lot of hair at all. I tried to go with more of a thinner look, a thinner braid look to have her buns be smaller. So yeah, so that's what we do. And then I started out with blow drying her hair out straight, and then I started with a middle part, and then after that I did my other two parts to achieve the 4 sections for the 4 braids. I'm using Shine and Jam there just to help clean up my parts. And I think the only thing that I didn't show in this video towards the end was that I applied mousse onto her braid. I oiled her scalp and I dipped the ends of her hair in hot water. So that's the only thing that you guys didn't see, but I try to show everything else. While I'm doing these stitch braids, as you guys can see, I had to pop off my nails, so I don't have any nails on. And so to help me with my stitches, I was using the comb sometimes. I'm not really used to using comb when trying to do stitch braids. I think it slows me down a lot to try to use the comb, so I wasn't really too used to it, but I had to use it at times where I was struggling, where my fingers were not able to do the stitch properly. But for the most part, I used my finger, the little bit of nail that I had left. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's really no nail on my finger, but I was still able to do some stitches here with that. And again, if you're having troubles with doing stitches because you don't have nail or you're not used to it or whatever, you can also use a comb. So yeah, I think that's all really that I wanted to let you guys know. I will allow y'all to watch the video until the end. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you do like it, and subscribe to the channel. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay safe, and stay filled with love and peace. Bye.